Gentle people, good morning. It's Charlene. Guys, I am very sorry. I know you see a little bit of snippets of when I was packing and when I went to the airport, but it's been 5 days since I came back from Punta Cana, and I am now in Jamaica. I'm in the beautiful, beautiful section of Tower Isles, my favorite section, or my favorite district right now. And I had a disastrous Airbnb thing last night. So I came up from Montego Bay, went straight to my hairdresser. Big up Femmes Beauty Bar. I have to find out what plaza that's in. It's not Jack Ruby Plaza, or is it Jack Ruby's Plaza? The plaza is opposite from Island Grill in the middle of Ocho Rios by the clock. There is a parking garage under that is so clutch when it comes to getting your hair done. And her name is Chris Ann. She works at Femme Luxe Beauty Bar, I think it is. I think it's in Jack Ruby Plaza. I will come back to you guys and let you know. Chris Ann and I have been, I would say it started as a client beautician relationship, and over the years we've just been, you know, we don't talk every day, we don't hang out and stuff like that, but she's just been a genuine soul, and I've always, you know, watched her on Instagram and we communicate that way. So Chris Ann, big up yourself. Thank you for taking me last minute after my flight. I really appreciate that, and keep going and keep doing what you're doing. Okay, so we are heading to Kingston this morning. I don't know if you guys remember way back when I did that Pitchy Patchy video, going to the Pitchy Patchy show. Congratulations to Roxanne and her fiance. She's getting married. I mentioned that my friend just got engaged. Yeah, it's that day. Can you believe it? It's that day, guys. It is time for Roxanne to get married. I am super excited. I need whatever they have going on in the family to kind of rub off on me, because this is the third marriage in this family. Okay, they are not playing, and I love it for them. So I am heading to Ocho Rios to get something to eat. Hey guys, I really honestly forgot to go into that Airbnb debacle that happened last night. So I had to talk quick because I'm driving and I'm using my hand to hold this phone up so you're not looking at my nose hole. But so I rented an Airbnb, and you know, I went to go do my hair and get some food and chit chat. And by the time I got to the Airbnb, I know the area very well, right? So by the time I got to the Airbnb and the security guard, you know, helped me to take my bags out and open the door, I was hit by a smell, putrid smell. So I'm following the smell because I'm just like, you know, granted it was a last minute booking because I decided to not stay in Kingston. I decided to stay over here instead and drive into the wedding and then head back to Ocho Rios tonight, or Tower Isle tonight. So I decided to rent this place out. If I was going to stay overnight in Kingston, I could do that at a hotel for one night and come back. So putrid smell, walk in, go upstairs. The second bedroom reeks of raw sewage. Raw sewage? No, baby. So the owner called me, and unexpectedly, you know, when owners give you the PIN code and you open the door and you go inside, they usually don't call you. They might text you and say, hey, this is here. Enjoy your stay. Talk to you when it's time to check out. Some people don't even bother you when to check out. So he calls me. He's just like, are you okay? And I'm just like, you know, you said your cleaner was here 2 weeks ago. There are cobwebs everywhere. And I'm going to do a video on what consumers look for or what customers look for, what bothers me as a customer in Airbnb. I don't want to consider myself bougie. I'm a regular schmegular girl, but there's a type that I go for on Airbnb. 9 times out of 10, it works out perfectly. If I gotta pay a little extra, I will. But I'm gonna do a little video, and I really honestly don't want, my family, they are Airbnb owners, and so I get both sides of the spectrum. Sometimes people really try to play you, customers. So I'm a customer, and I'm not an owner, but I am family to owner, so I see everything that comes in, and they explain the situations all the time. Some people and they ask my opinion, like, this happened to this girl said she had COVID, or this guy said, oh, his car broke down and it was supposed to be a 1 day, can he get back his money? And most times I'm just like, yeah, give them back their money. As a customer, I know how it feels. So anyway, I get to the Airbnb, putrid smell, go upstairs, 2nd bedroom, raw sewage. That's where we are. So he calls me, he's like, are you okay? I said, well, it smells really, really bad. I don't think I could tolerate the smell. And so I go in there, I peek in the bathroom, there's like nothing in the toilet that would grant it smelling like that. I'm passing soldiers, and I don't know if they can pull me over, but so I tell him, the smell is really, really bad, and so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to stay here, And he's just like, yeah, I'm really, really sorry. But he kept on saying, like, you can cancel and blah, 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 blah. People, customers, do not let the Airbnb host tell you to cancel. If you cancel, you are voluntarily leaving their place without Airbnb knowledge or talking to you, and you lose your deposit. Some people have strict policies. You don't get back any money, or you get back half of your money. Do not, I repeat, do not cancel. If it's a situation where you and the host agrees that the place is not livable to stay, they must cancel on their end. Okay, a lot of hosts don't like to cancel because you see that little review section, and that number of ratings is out of a 5. That number goes down if they cancel. It's considered a strike against them. If they have enough strikes, they can be removed off the Airbnb platform for some time, I think, if I can remember the rules correctly. So this is like the 3rd host that I've had an issue with in all my years. I've been on it since the app started, to tell me, oh, you can go ahead and cancel, everything is okay. I said, no, the rules are you have to cancel, because if I cancel, your refund policy applies. So this is what happened. He agreed that the place was a mess. He also agreed to the smell, right? So it's now 10:30 at night. Even though I'm familiar with the area, one of the things I hate is being like, I felt like I was left stranded, and I was just like, but I'm not stranded. I could go to a hotel. But, like, I wanted to settle. I wanted to take my suitcases out. I wanted to unpack, all those things. So I felt like no man's land. All my family's in town doing different things. I'm just like, okay, well, I'm just going to have to get a hotel. No problem. So he finally reaches out. It looks like his conscience really, has him reach out. He reaches out to Airbnb. He let them know that I said I can't stay there because of the smell. So Airbnb reaches out and tells them I wish to cancel. So Airbnb reached out to me and said, hey, the host says you wish to cancel. Is that correct? I said, absolutely not. I walked in the house. I told him what I smelt. He obviously agreed and probably knew. Instantly, he started to apologize and say to me, I'm very sorry. It's okay if you want to cancel. It's a-okay with me. Just cancel and I will let Airbnb know the situation. And I told her that no, I told him the rules are, you know, if he agrees and he knows his place was in disrepair, he should cancel. No, I'm not. Listen, the only other time I left and I did not complain about nothing is them lizards, because I'm done. I'm not staying with lizards, period. You could go with the $700, live it up, do what you want to do, but I'm tricking out. So this is the only other time where I had like an issue, like things are in disrepair, the smell, so on. Whoever cleaned, that place has not been cleaned in months. It smelled like it. Not that it smelled bad, but it smelled like it's been locked up. 2 weeks is not enough for that smell. I've been here often enough. My mother has closed her home for months on end. That time we only used to come to Jamaica once a year. And when we got back, it's months of being closed up. It has that smell of not being cleaned. Okay, so you're not talking to a fool here. You're not talking to a tourist. So he apologized. He went ahead. He had them cancel. I clarified with the rep on Airbnb what happened. And the rep said, okay, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to refund you 100%. Seeing that you're out late at night, I told her, you know, I am by myself. I didn't lie. I'm by myself. Even though I know the area, I'm by myself. So she said, okay. She said, I can't get you into a hotel tonight, but book something tonight. We will reimburse you. I'm giving you 100% of what you paid for the days that you were staying with this gentleman. And I'm booking you a future stay for 3 days because of the inconvenience. I said, absolutely. I said, absolutely. Of course. Yes. Thank you. So, that worked out perfectly. And I was just so bummed. So I had one cousin, and she is as adventurous as me. She has left the States and came and lived here for over a year, 2 years. And she, you know, she's well versed as I am when it comes to places to stay, things to do, stuff like that. So I called her and I said, hey, Key, this is the situation. She flipped her phone out and I was in a place in 15 minutes flat. That's what I'm talking about. And she don't even live here, okay? She comes back and forth. She spent 2 years here or a year and a half, come back for 6 months, go back. So she's not here on a regular basis. But I'm gonna tell you, wealth of knowledge, yes. So that's the situation with that. I'm super, super happy. I'm getting my money back. But, you know, cash is always good. Cash is king. So I'm getting my money back. So I'm heading to Marriott now. There's some clouds. I hope she doesn't get any rain. I'm super, super excited. I need to focus on the road because after getting breakfast and everything, I have T-minus 1 hour to get ready and get to the venue. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. So guys, I've just crossed the toll over into Kingston or wherever this is, and there seems to be traffic. Why? Ugh. Oh Lord. OMG.
Turn left into the parking lot, then arrive at your destination.
Okay, here we go. The Courtyard Marriott. I've been here before, but yes, this is it in Kingston. So guys, this is the Courtyard Marriott room tour. As you come in, there's a bathroom on your right. Basic bathroom, shower, toilet facilities. This is a partition door. If you have someone that you know staying next door, you can open these doors and you guys can come back and forth instead of going outside. In here, closet, your regular hotel stuff. And I opted for 2 beds because I like to get ready on one and like to actually sleep on one. Okay. And I'm gonna do a pan, a little artwork here, big screen, desk. And I think I got the exact same room that I stayed in about 6 years ago. So guys, I am an hour late, almost 45 minutes. This is the fit. This is the shoes. I'm not sure if I like to dress too much, but you know, it's what I have, is what I'm working with. And so, you know, giving a little Shaka Khan, I don't know. And this is how the hair turned out. Hopefully I can get some pictures to insert, but I'm running late. I couldn't even take the phone out the case because I am running late. So yeah, let's go and have some fun at Roxanne's wedding. Let's go, guys. That's her.
I are just here for the cash.
That's it.
Now listen to me now.
That's it.
Pleasure. All who report to kill a boy right now. If you love God Almighty, put a board on the ear like so. Let me start in our area. When I think of the war, I'm about to kill
Guys, word to the wise. The party is not done. But you have a sense of when the event is going to be over. Never ever wait until the event is over. Leave just about maybe an hour to 45 minutes to 30 minutes before the event lets out. Fights break out, people are intoxicated, you know, all kind of stuff. So I took my time and bought my jerk chicken, and I'm walking to my vehicle and heading out before the crowds come out and, you know, maybe anything starts. I'm not about that life. I like to enjoy myself and go home in one piece and not pieces. So I'm gonna call my sister too, because she was so worried. She was like, little girl, you going to a stadium by yourself? Are you nuts? You know anything pops off in Jamaica, so you know anything pops off in Kingston. I was like, I told her I was okay. And it was really a friendly environment, and I'm glad it was a sound clash and not like, you know, something else. So I'm heading home, or I'm heading to my place of sleep. Hey guys, so I'm back from stadium, and it was a time. I had a good time. I went by myself, like I told you guys before, and there's some pointers. First of all, hold on, let me come through the TV and tell you this. First of all, never, ever do what I did tonight. Don't do what I did tonight. Do not go to events by yourself. Listen, nothing happened, but when I really thought about it and thought about the content that I'm putting out, especially, I don't want to say this because there are dangerous places everywhere, but I'm not speaking bad about the country that I love. But if you're a Jamaican, you will agree with me. Jamaica, the city is not to be played with, okay? Anywhere you go. But I'm talking about here, right now, this city is not to be played with. Don't just drive into neighborhoods. Don't just, listen, just be safe. What I did, I took a chance today by going to an event by myself for the simple fact because I know the area. I know people not too far away. So I took the chance. But when I tell you, this is just safety. Have fun, do what you need to do. But just be very, very careful. Nothing happened tonight. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna tell you what happened. So, I went to the venue. There were police everywhere. That's number one. So I was okay with that. When I got to the gate, I was searched. My bag was looked into. There was plainclothes police. There were deets. There were actually police in police uniform at the event. It was put on by a Guineas event. All of this I'm telling you is just information, but honestly, okay, I went there, everybody was super friendly. It was a clash between two sound systems. If you're Jamaican, you understand, or if you're Caribbean, you understand. It was a clash between two sound systems, okay? Older people were there, all kind of mixed up people were there. So I went, I made sure that I checked my surroundings. When I found an area that was comfortable, there were like, you know, big sound boxes. And I found the area right next to a sound box, and I'm looking directly on the stage. It was a little bit elevated because it was a step up, so I could see the stage. I'm short. And the person I was standing next to, there was a couple here. They weren't paying me any attention. There's the next father and his 3 sons that came to see the clash. And the first question that man asked me, which I don't think his intention was to do anything, but he saw me come there. I had a bucket. They had like a bucket special. You could get any drinks you wanted, and I bought a bucket special, and I bought it and I put it in front of me as usual, and I opened one. I started to have a drink. And the first question that man asked me was, "Are you here alone?" Excuse me? Never, ever, ever, ever admit that you're alone. I'm going to give you some major keys. When you stay at a hotel, always ask for 2 keys, okay? Always ask for 2 keys. Even trick the hotel staff to make them think that you're not alone. You don't know what could happen, okay? So I said, absolutely not. My family is, I lied. Yes, I did. I'm going to admit it. I lied. I said, you know, they're in the back. I wanted to see the stage. I'm short, so I came here. I said, yeah. I said, I want to see the stage. And he was like, okay. When I was leaving, you know, we were chit-chatting, and he was trying to get me to get one of those horns. I don't know if you hear the horns blowing. Those are kind of like a novelty thing that they sell. And I really wanted one. I've been wanted one. Because I like to make noise, okay? So I've been wanted a horn. And so I was like, where's the horn guy? Where's the horn guy? And he's looking for the horn guy for me and sending people to get the horn guy and all that. And so, you know, we kind of chatting it up. So when I was ready to leave, I said, I'm going to go check on my family. I'll be back. Not even telling the man that I'm leaving. That was not what I was going to tell him. I said, I'm going to check my family. I will be back. And he was like, oh, you coming back here? I said, yeah, I'm just going to check on my family. Honey, I went through them gates. I stopped at the jerk chicken man, and I got me jerk chicken and jumped in my car and went home. I don't know this guy. We chopped it up. We became friendly during the thing, and we were rooting for the sound system that we liked the best, but I was going home, and I don't know you. So I'm not telling you, you know, when I'm leaving. Those are the tidbits that you should practice anywhere you go, whether it's at home, whether it's in your gated community. If you don't know anybody, don't give them any information. I don't know. I live in the South now, so I find that people in the South, they talk everything. I'm not used to that. I'm a New York girl. We only give you certain information. We give you what you need to know, and that's it. I've been around so many people, and they're just like, oh, you're so quiet. I said, no, I'm not. I just give you the information you need to know, and the rest is not your business. Not to be rude, that's just, my family's Jamaican, and that's how Jamaican people are too. They don't give you too much. They give you what you need to know, and that is it. And, you know, New York is kind of like the same. I'm a New York girl. I grew up in New York. I went to school in New York. We don't give you what you don't need to know. The rest is optional. Just facts. So that was my night. I had a great time. I just threw on this little number here. Guys, let me tell you this debacle that happened. I ordered stuff online. Nice, cute stuff. We had some major rains in my city and like in other parts of America, in the United States. And all my packages got stuck in like ORD. That's the airport code for Chicago. I had to email these people 3 or 4 times. They decided to send it out again. And guess when it decides to be delivered? Today. I'm gone. So annoyed. So I had to run to the mall and pick up what I really don't like. I mean, what's AC/DC? It's like a band. I wouldn't even wear this. This is kind of like goth. It's not my style. But I made it work. Word to the wise, buy your stuff months in advance. Like these online stuff, please. Their one day delivery don't exist. That's number 1. So girl, I'm going to defrost or de-sweat, wash my face, take another shower. This is my 3rd shower for the day, but Jamaica is hot. WHWT. What? HAWT. Hot. Okay, that's the new word in the dictionary. Hot. Okay? And I got this Rolling on the River wig on. That's coming off tomorrow night because we're going braids that we can actually put up in a ponytail and not show our black-eyed peas back here. You know, the kitchen. So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna get ready for bed, guys. It was great hanging out with you. Thank you for hanging out with me and thank you for watching. It's not done yet. It ain't go. It's still a little while. We're not done as yet. Vacation is just getting started. So I'm thinking of already extending it. Let's see. I don't know. All right, good night, guys. Bye. Guys, I was driving and I saw a view that I'm going to show you. Oh my God. Hold on. Oh my God. And I still have 22 minutes to go. Can you believe? It's crazy. Let's get back in the car. Still got 22 minutes up this hill. Oh, you gotta be so careful because there's no space. Look at this. This is a complete turnaround. Oh my God. The farthest place I've ever been in my whole life. Now where do I park? So beautiful, so rustic. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my table and my view. Oh my God. Let me stop acting like I'm not used to mountains, but gorgeous, peaceful. Hi, how are you? They have local spring water here. It's bottled right here on the property, bottled on location. And this pepper, oh, I could have smelled it from she was leaving the kitchen over there. It smells so good. And it's just a rustic location. Try not to wear white because that's already what's happening. And it rained a little bit this morning, but oh my God. If you just want to relax, get away from the city life. Oh, cute. This is it. This is the menu. It seems like they have a set menu, and that's okay. I'm just gonna try. I've never been here before. Cafe Blue is like 11 minutes down the road. And I didn't go to Cafe Blue for the simple fact because I've been to Cafe Blue in Ligonier already. So I wanted to give something else a try. A literal tree house. So guys, I'm sitting here amongst the trees. Can you believe this? Oh my God. I'm not even looking for lizards, honestly. I'm just enjoying the experience. And it's so beautiful here. When I tell you, from Gordontown, If you're familiar with Jamaica, it's another 28 minutes up Blue Mountain. When I tell you I was praying, like, please let there be a cafe at the end of this GPS. Because when I talk about lonely, and it's a little bit overcast here in Jamaica today, so it is kind of dark, and so there are trees, of course, coming up the mountain, so it seems even more dark. But like I said, they bottle their own water, so she bought me a bottle of water, and she bought me what you can't see is pepper, hot pepper and salt. And baby, it's the real thing, okay? I smelt it a mile away. So I'm not even gonna play myself. The last time I put pepper in my mouth, I thought it was a piece of curry goat. And I was burning for days. So for starters, they have tomato, basil, bami bruschetta, aki samosas with escovitch relish. That sounds good. Curry goat samosas, saltfish fritters. I'm gonna do the saltfish fritters because I'm just a saltfish fritter girl. And then I'm gonna try the tomato, basil, bami bruschetta. And I think I'm gonna do the snapper. Yeah, for sure. Do I want to drink this early in the morning? Let me see what they have. They have Moscato. They have Prosecco. They have daiquiris. They have, of course, Blue Mountain coffee. They have Old Time hot chocolate. I might do that because I don't drink coffee at all. I've never had coffee in my life. And they have white and reds. They have Cabernet Sauvignon Blanc. They have every little thing here, so let me try their water because every water tastes different. Do you guys know that? All water is not created equal. Can I tell you what my favorite water is in Jamaica right now? And it's not WATA, sorry, WATA. I don't want bad blood between us. Maybe a sponsorship. But Lifespan. Lifespan is my favorite water in Jamaica. So let's try this. It tastes clean for sure. I don't know if they put it through a process where it's, clean. Oh, there's a hummingbird over there. This place is... I know my sister would love it here, but she doesn't eat out much. She doesn't like to eat out much. So. Enjoying myself so much. And as you can hear a pin drop in here other than the Old Time reggae playing. That hot pepper is hot, baby. Oh my God. And guys, I'm gonna enjoy my meal. I'm gonna show you what I'm eating. And hopefully you can taste it through the screen. Wish you were here. A long time I haven't had bambi, but I'm gonna try it again. Good. And then I'm gonna do the saltfish fritters. And for my main course, I'm going to do the... Oh, there's more main course here. Sorry. Alright. What do you suggest?
Do you like seafood, meat?
I eat meat and I just eat fish.
Curry goat is popular.
Yeah?
You like goat?
I had it yesterday.
Okay, shrimp?
I don't eat shrimp either.
You want to try like ackee and saltfish or something different then?
I'm used to ackee and saltfish. Alright, let me do... Okay, she's 1, 2, shrimp pasta, curry goat, the egg Florentine, roasted vegetables.
Do you like egg? Eggs Florentine is a popular one.
Yeah.
Poached egg?
Poached. No, alright. I will do the snapper You don't have any? You don't have it. All right. I don't want the chicken. All right. Let's do the roasted vegetables with coconuts and curry chickpeas and black beans.
All right.
Yeah.
With what side?
Oh, these are your sides?
Yes.
I would do it with Irish potato croquettes.
Right. Perfect. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. All right. Pine ginger drink. Can I ask a question? And please don't. I, I don't want to seem biased. But why are Jamaicans so good at everything? I love all other countries, but okay, let me shut up. That's it. Bye.
Oh, this is open. Yeah. Thank you very much. Very tasty. Your chicken is great.
Saltfish fritters with escovitch sauce. Done to order. Guys, this is the bathroom. Who do I think I am? It's completely open to the elements. I'd be scared to death to come here because I'm thinking that there's lizards. There's turf on the floor, but it's not nasty, I swear to you. When I walked in, it had a homey vibe, a comfy feel. There's a gritter for the cover of the lamp, so cute. A mirror, a sink, everything it smells decent and it's clean and it's open to the elements. I thought I would be so scared because when I first saw it, I said, I am not coming here. But it worked out. So I guess he's the owner. And the likes of Popcorn have been here. Many people. She was my server today. This young lady right here, the second lady right here. Very sweet and nice. So it's time to go. It was a great experience. Oh. Now, where am I gonna turn in this place? There's absolutely no place to turn. Oh. I gotta crawl over there. Or maybe, let's try this side and hope nothing jumps on me. Oh. Oh. This is not
wonder if I find a new man where I spend. I feel no way, I just all I say. I'm doing great. Wonder if I find a new man where I spend. I feel no way.
I think I am. Forest Emancipation Park is for me. And when I tell you I'm beat, I'm beat. I can't even go. Like, everybody's having a little good time, really good time with their kids and ice cream and all that. First of all, I haven't even had dinner yet, so I'm not eating any ice cream. I really want to go out there and just people watch, but I just cannot. I'm tired. Goodbye, Marriott. Come with me to get Sugar and Spice, the best patties in the world. Argue in the comments, argue with yourself, but don't argue with me. I was always a juicy beef girl, but after coming to Kingston and having Sugar and Spice, nothing better. So come along with me.
In 300 feet.
Kingston at almost 11 and it's 12:35 and I'm just getting to my Airbnb. I'm tired.